Hello and welcome dear students. Today we are going to prove one important theorem in limit, that is prove that limit as x tends to a is x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a is equal to n into a to the power n minus 1. So I have to prove this formula or theorem. See here, what is this theorem? See here, index must be same. Index of both terms must be same and base is x minus a. That base must be in denominator. If like this, then its limit nothing but just from second term. Second term is a to the power n. So what is limit? Just multiply by index and subtract 1 from index. That is n into a to the power n minus 1. So I have to prove this formula. So I have to prove this. We know expansion of this x to the power n minus a to the power n. You know expansion of x square minus a square or x cube minus a cube. Similarly, we can write expansion of this. So here first bracket is x minus a and second bracket contains first term x to the power n minus 1 plus second term x to the power n minus 2 into a plus x to the power n minus 3 into a square plus continue, and last term is a to the power n minus 1. So here how to write expansion, that is important. X to the power n minus a to the power n is equal to first bracket is x minus a, and how to write second bracket? Just take power of x less by 1 here. Here power is n, so less by 1 means x to the power n minus 1. Note that first term is x to the power n minus 1 and last term also a to the power n minus 1. Index must be same of first and last term. So first term is x to the power n minus 1. Then decrease power by 1. Second term n minus 2 and take into a here. Then note that power of x decreasing by 1 here and power of a increasing by 1 here. N minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4 and so on, and power of a increase. Power is 1, power 2, power 3 and so on, last a to the power n minus 1. Same as first term x to the power n minus 1, that is the expansion. And then we take left side of theorem, limit as x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a is equal to limit as x tends to a, x minus a first bracket. We know expansion from above step. We can write here x to the power n minus 1 plus x to the power n minus 2 into a plus x to the power n minus 3 into a square plus continue a to the power n minus 1. Denominator x minus a here. Then here x minus a cancel and we get limit as x tends to a, we get only bracket x to the power n minus 1 plus x to the power n minus 2 into a plus x to the power n minus 3 into a square plus a to the power n minus 1. And then we can take limit of this, put here x equal to a or replace x by a. So we get a to the power n minus 1 plus a to the power n minus 2 into a plus a to the power n minus 3 into a square plus continue a to the power n minus 1. So it is equal to a to the power n minus 1. Here base same, sum of indices. So power n minus 2 plus 1 means we get power n minus 1 plus similarly n minus 3 plus 2 means n minus 1 plus a to the power n minus 1. Note that here in second bracket there are n terms. Second bracket contains n terms. So addition of these n terms, there are n terms. So a to the power n minus 1 plus a to the power n minus 1 plus continue up to n times. So addition nothing but n times a to the power n minus 1, and hence theorem proved or formula is proved. Formula very simple, just index must be same and that base must be in denominator, minus sign is there. So what is limit? Just multiply by index and subtract 1 from index. For example, limit as x tends to 2, x cube minus 2 cube divided by x minus 2. So by using above formula, we can write limit of this. Compare with formula, here index same 3 3, base x minus 2, that is in denominator x minus 2. So we can apply formula. By this formula, multiply by index, subtract 1 from index. So index 3 here into 2 and subtract 1 from index, 3 minus 1, and this gives 3 into 2, 3 minus 1, we get here 2 power, so we get 3 into 4, and that gives 12. So that 12 is the limit of this. So by applying this formula, we can find limit directly. Then we evaluate some problems upon same formula. So first problem, evaluate limit as x tends to 2, x to the power 7 minus 128 divided by x to the power 5 minus 32. So here how to solve. We know formula, index must be same. So limit as x tends to 2, x to the power 7 minus, here 128 can be written, 128 nothing but 2 to the power 7 divided by x to the power 5 minus 32 means 2 to the power 5. We know formula. So by formula, we have to divide here by x minus 2. By formula, x to the power 7 minus 2 to the power 7. So divide by x minus 2 here. We divide both numerator and denominator by x minus 2. That means there is no change. We divide to numerator, also we divide to denominator. That means x minus 2 cancel. That means there is no change. Then we can take limit separately. Limit as x tends to 2, x to the power 7 minus 2 to the power 7 divided by x minus 2, limit of denominator, limit as x tends to 2, x to the power 5 minus 2 to the power 5 divided by x minus 2. Then we apply above formula. Just multiply by index and subtract 1 from index. So limit of numerator nothing but 7 into 2 power 7 minus 1 means 6 here. In denominator, index is 5 and subtract 1 from 5, 5 minus 1 means 4. So it is equal to 7 by 5 into 2 to the power 4 and here 2 to the power 6. That means 2 to the power 4 cancel and 2 square left here. So we get 7 by 5, 2 square means 4. 7 into 4, 28 divided by 5. So 28 divided by 5 is the limit of given problem or solution to the given problem. Continue second problem. Evaluate limit as x tends to 5, x cube minus 125 divided by x to the power 5 minus 3125. So your solution, limit as x tends to 5, x cube minus 125 can be written 5 cube divided by x to the power 5 minus 3125 nothing but 5 its power 5. Here index same, in denominator also index same. Then by formula, denominator must be x minus 5. So limit as x tends to 5, x cube minus 5 cube divided by x minus 5, denominator x to the power 5 minus 5 power 5 divided by x minus 5. And then we take limit separately. So limit of numerator, limit as x tends to 5, x cube minus 5 cube divided by x minus 5, denominator, limit as x tends to 5, x to the power 5 minus 5 to the power 5 divided by x minus 5. Then we apply formula, multiply by index, that is 3, subtract 1 from index, 3 minus 1 means 2, denominator index 5, multiply, subtract 1 from index, 5 minus 1, 4, and it is equal to get 3 divided by 5, and 5 square divided by 5 to the power 4 means 5 square cancel here and we get 5 square in denominator, and it is equal to 3 divided by 5, and 5 square means 25. So we get a 3 divided by 25 into 5, 125. So 3 upon 125 is the limit of this problem. Continue third problem. If limit as x tends to 1, x to the power 4 minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to limit as x tends to a, x cube minus a cube divided by x minus a. Then find the value of a. See a solution. So given problem can be written limit as x tends to 1, x to the power 4 minus 1, 1 can be written 1 to the power 4 here, 1 to any power is 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to limit as x tends to a, right side same, x cube minus a cube divided by x minus a. And then we apply formula, multiply by index, index is 4, 1 to the power 4 minus 1 means 3 here, index is 3 here, and subtract 1, 3 minus 1 means 2. So 4 into 1 we get here 4 equal to 3a square, and that is a square equal to 4 divided by 3, and thus we get value of a as plus minus square root of this, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 3 as it is. So plus minus 2 divided by root 3. Continue fourth problem. Evaluate limit as x tends to 1 in bracket x plus x square plus x cube plus continue x to the power n minus n divided by x minus 1. We will find value of this. So this can be written limit as x tends to 1, x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power n minus n divided by x minus 1, that is given problem, and we write it as limit as x tends to 1, x plus x square plus x cube plus continue x to the power n minus, here n means 1 plus 1 continue n times. Note that 5 means we write 1 plus 1 5 times, 3 means we write 1 plus 1 3 times. So n means we write 1 plus 1 how many times? N times, divided by x minus 1. It is equal to limit as x tends to 1. So here minus in bracket there are n terms. So we will multiply by minus sign to each term. We get minus 1 n times. And combine this minus 1 with each term, first term with second term with third term and so on. So we can write here x minus 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x cube minus 1 plus continue x to the power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Then divide each term by x minus 1. Separate numerators, we get here x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x minus 1, third term x cube minus 1 divided by x minus 1, continue x to the power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Then we write in terms of formula limit as x tends to 1, x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 cancel here, we get 1, x square minus 1 can be written 1 square divided by x minus 1, x cube 1 means we can write 1 cube, x minus 1 plus x to the power n minus 1 can be written 1 to the power n, 1 to any power is 1, and then formula we can take limit of each term. Limit of 1 is 1, limit of second term index 2 here, subtract 1 from index, that is 2 minus 1 is 1, index 3 multiply by index, subtract 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, continue last term index n, subtract 1 from n. Note that 1 to any power is 1, so we get here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n, 1 to power n minus 1 means 1, and we know that formula sum of first n terms which is given by n into n plus 1 divided by 2, that is formula. So this is the limit of this fourth problem. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you.